Hi, my name is Amit, and I am the Operations Manager at FleetSpark. This is video 21 in our Trucking 101 series. In the previous video, we explained how to build a first-year trucking budget so you can survive the cash flow gap and maintain reserves while waiting for invoices to be paid. In this video, we are covering how to set up basic accounting for your trucking business so you can track your income, expenses, and cash flow clearly from day one. Accounting simply means keeping an organized record of the money that enters and leaves your business. For trucking, that includes tracking high-volume expenses like fuel, maintenance, tolls, and insurance, as well as the revenue from every load you run. The goal of basic accounting is clarity. When your books are organized, you can see whether your business is profitable, whether your costs are increasing, and whether your cash flow is strong enough to keep the truck moving. The first step is separating your finances immediately. Open a dedicated business checking account and use it for all trucking income and expenses. Never mix personal and business spending because it makes accounting inaccurate and tax reporting difficult. Next, get a dedicated business credit card. Use it only for truck-related purchases such as fuel, repairs, tolls, and operational expenses. This automatically creates a digital record of transactions that simplifies bookkeeping. Many carriers also use a fuel card. Fuel cards provide discounts at major truck stops and automatically record fuel purchases, which helps when calculating fuel expenses and preparing quarterly IFTA reports. The next decision is choosing your accounting method. The two basic methods are cash basis and accrual basis accounting. In cash basis accounting, you record income when you receive the money and expenses when you pay them. This is the simplest system and is commonly used by owner-operators. In accrual accounting, you record income when it is earned and expenses when they occur, even if cash has not moved yet. This gives a more complete financial picture but is more complex. After choosing your accounting method, you need a tracking system. Most owner-operators start with accounting software like QuickBooks, trucking management systems such as RigBooks or Trucking Office, or a structured spreadsheet. The goal of your tracking system is to record every transaction in a clear category. Proper categorization allows you to understand where money is being spent and helps you maximize tax deductions. The most important expense categories for trucking are variable costs such as fuel, maintenance, tires, tolls, and parking. These are the costs that increase as you drive more miles. You also need to track fixed costs such as truck payments, insurance premiums, permits, and subscription services like ELD platforms or load boards. Operational expenses should also be categorized. These include communication costs like cell phone plans, office tools, and other business services that support your daily operations. To maintain audit-ready records, save every receipt. Use mobile apps to scan receipts immediately so they are stored digitally and connected to your accounting system. Update your books regularly. Many owner-operators review their transactions weekly and reconcile bank statements monthly. Regular updates prevent errors from accumulating and help you detect financial problems early. Accurate mileage records are also essential. Mileage tracking supports cost-per-mile calculations and validates tax deductions such as meal allowances and travel expenses. While many owner-operators start by managing their own books, working with a professional bookkeeper can save time, improve accuracy, and help ensure compliance with tax rules and reporting requirements. In simple terms, good accounting gives you visibility into your business. When your books are organized, you understand your costs, your cash flow, and your profitability. Without that visibility, it becomes much harder to make good financial decisions. At FleetSpark, we're a back-office and capital partner for owner-operators and small fleets. We help you stay on top of your bookkeeping and cash flow so your financial data stays accurate and your business stays organized. If you're ready to move forward, contact us at FleetSpark. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.